Gold prices retraced all the way towards 4100 mark, failing to trade beyond 4145, the crucial milestone, crucial resistance. We have seen a slight retracement and now trading at a median, while silver tried to move towards $52 levels and stayed bullish. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US session, and likewise with crude oil? See, crude oil stayed in a zone, failing to trade above 61. At the same time, on the downside, the support levels at 60 are proving out to be very, very strong. Natural gas again staying bullish towards 4.7. See, for crude oil today, the inventory data is going to hold the key. And if you look at Tech 100 and Dow Jones, both are at highs here. You can see Tech 100 moving towards 25.7, 2028 zone, while US 30 towards 48.029. So what to expect now with these 6 instruments with the US session? How you can profit trading these instruments, where to enter, where to exit, we shall gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates so that you can profit across Asia, Europe and US session, trading across geographies. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold and silver, followed with oil and gas. Lastly, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Watch till. First, on the hourly charts, you can see lower highs are seen here and a flat base is created. This is a squeeze here. Whenever gold tries to come out of this squeeze, that is a move beyond 41.45, 41.50. If you see gold trading beyond 41.45, 41.50, 52, stay bullish for 41.64, 41.80, 84, and in fact 4200. But for this, it has to break past by this crucial resistance 41.45, 41.50. Look at the resistance here, and since then what has happened? Drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now this is trying to reverse from the median here. So I'll say if you see it is staying beyond 41.35, you can buy and expect it to move towards 41.45, 41.50, 52. Beyond this, certainly it's gonna stay bullish. Moving averages are trading bullish here. Stochastic at the top here. The MACD you can see after retracing here towards the bottom, now it is on the verge of a crossover. Wait for it to cross over and then we can possibly see more rise from there. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, one critical observation here is see the bearish candles here. Then you can see the preceding 3 candles, diminishing bullishness, the hesitation on the ups. At the same time, on the downside, the support at 4100 proving out to be very, very strong. Now I'll wait for it to trade beyond 41.35, 41.45 levels, and then 41.50, 52. If these 3 levels are taken, certainly we are ready for a rally here. Remember, prices have retraced here, waiting for it to deliver a breakout. Whenever it does show this breakout, the move is going to be strong enough for it to take it towards 41.65, 41.80, 85, or in fact 4200. But right now it is struggling. Right now it is not showing such breakout. Stochastic rising. The MACD is right now trading bearish since the crossover. It is looking downwards, and it has not much scope on the downside for it to continue trading bearish here. RSI is flat. On the 3 hour, you can notice on the 3 hour charts, look at this: 2 red, 2 green, 2 red. First green, second is a swing. I'll wait for this third candle. If at all you see gold trading beyond 41.35, 36, you can expect it to rise again towards 41.42, 45, and then 41.50, 52. A move beyond 41.50, 52. From here the price is going to fly off strongly, because see, it has taken the support from the 20 period, and now once it moves, it is going to deliver a massive move here. You have to be careful, you have to be watchful. Moving averages are trading bullish. Now on the downside, 4100 is a key support, very strong one. And then I'll say till 40.85, it is not yet to be treated bearish. Only and only if you see it trading below 40.85, you can say slight bearishness should prevail here. Stochastic rising, but interestingly, look at MACD crossing over here at the top, trying to trade bearish here, looking downwards. And this is still not much of room available on the downside, but it is not that it cannot reverse and fly. I'll wait for the next couple of candles. We might see either a swing or a breakout. Let's wait for this. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. On the 4 hour, similar observation here. You can see this, the support at 4100 very strong, the resistance at 41.45, 50 very strong, and see one red candle, couple of retracement candles. If at all it trades beyond 41.45, 41.50, 52, be ready, it can deliver you a stronger breakout. Else right now what's happening, notice after every rise it trades with a retracement. After this rise, it trades with a retracement, and if you now see gold trading below 4110, you can stay with the cells of 4100 and 4090, and then 4084. 3 key levels here. Once it trades below 4084, 85, more bearishness should be seen. Moving averages are trading bullish here. Stochastic trying to bounce back, but look at MACD after hitting the highs. This is just crossing over here. Slight bearish indication. It is not that it cannot rise further, but right now it is just crossing over here, which is a slight bearish sign. RSI just coming out of the overbought. Now on the daily charts, what's happening here? See, it has formed a double bottom here. This is very, very crucial. The second observation here is the diminishing bullishness what we had seen yesterday. So it is possible that it can form a symmetrical move here, deliver almost identical candle what we had seen yesterday, and then wait for a breakout tomorrow. This one possibility you should watch out for. Else what could happen? It has already formed a double bottom and it can give you a breakout. Now if you notice what it has done here, see, previously the price consolidated around 20 and 50 period moving average. The resistance as 4160 was very, very strong. This complete zone between 4140 and 4160 is indeed a good resistance. So one possibility that it can give you a breakout today, it might trade beyond 4145, 50, 52 and 4160, 65. If these three levels are taken today, remember gold is ready for a rise all the way towards 4200 very, very soon, if not today. And in fact we can see it trading higher, but right now for the entire day we have seen gold prices struggling here. Moving averages are trading with divergence here. Stochastic getting over the MACD, just crossing over here on the daily charts, which is also a supportive sign for further rise, and the RSI is staying flat. So now looking at this, what you should do before I give you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to be part of my mentorship batch 35th batch. Dates are announced. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're looking forward to just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for any of your queries. And it is also equally important for you to have a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, and easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, what you should do, I'll ideally recommend you to buy only if you now see it is staying beyond 4136 levels. If you see it is staying beyond this, expect 41, 42.5, 41. 45 as the first target. This is very, very crucial for gold to break beyond, and if this is taken, then 41, 50, 52. Now once it trades beyond 41, 50, 52, I think it is going to fly high towards 41, 62, 64, 41, 80, 84. And if these levels are taken, 4200 is a must here, and beyond 4200 sky is the limit. 4240 should be there very, very soon. On the down, I will recommend you to sell here at 41. See, 22 levels you can sell, but I will say 4116, 4108, and then 4100. Once it trades below 4100 plus minus 2, you can stay with the sells, but I will say till 4092 and 4084, do not treat this as bearish. Below 4084 is where you can see slight bearishness coming in. 4070, 40 levels will be there. Below 4040, more correction should follow. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to silver. See, silver on the hourly charts, there is a reversal sign, then one drop has appeared, and now it is forming a double bottom, trying to bounce back. Very, very crucial for silver to now trade beyond $52 zone. If at all you see silver trading beyond 52, is stay bullish. Now see how it is traded: rise, retracement, rise, retracement. And now once it breaks out beyond 52, certainly more bullish momentum will be seen here. Right now I can see a little support coming in, price trying to bounce back here. The stochastic looking down, the MACD is in green, trying to cross over for sell here. RSI is very near to top. Coming to 2 hour on the 2 hour charts, likewise the 5 period is indeed a very, very good support, and thus 5190, 52 is going to be a tough zone for it to break. But yes, it is right now looking upwards. On the downside also, you should notice with the support from 5 period, I think 5140 is the only level below which slight bearishness might prevail here, which could take it towards 5120 and 51. Till 51, do not treat silver as bearish. That is pretty clear. And then 50, 40, 50, 40, 50 levels, the crucial zone. Notice rise, pullback. So rise, can show you pullback, but I'll say selling has to be only below 5140. Stochastic at top, the MACD just crossed over, trading with moderate bearishness for now. And if you see the RSI, this is staying flat at top. Look at 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, you can see the 5 period offering it a support, price trying to bounce back. Preceding candle, a green one, then a red pullback. So current candle might give you a breakout. Be watchful of this. A move beyond 52 is something might pull. The price is higher. We can expect it to move towards 52, 40, 52, 50 levels. And yes, on the downside, the 5 period is indeed a very good support. Stochastic at the top here. The MACD has seen a good rise, waiting for it to cross over for sell. It is not yet crossed over, and the RSI is staying overbought here. Likewise, on the 4 hour charts, preceding two candles, you can see preceding candle could be the last candle could be a possible reversal sign. If you see now silver trading below 51.20, $51 zone, this will become a reversal sign, and then 50.40 will prevail. But what we are seeing right now, good rise, then a pullback, and it is starting off on a bullish note. If you see it is staying beyond 52, more bullishness should be seen. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD is in green. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is flat at top. So looking at What you can do, I will recommend you to buy at 51.90, $52 zone. If you see silver above this, you can stay with the buys. Expect 52.25, 52.50. And once 52.50 is taken, be ready for a good move towards 53.2 and 53.85 levels very, very soon. Beyond this, it might try to break the record levels, and I do not expect this to happen at least today or this week. Let's watch out for the move today. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 51.4 levels, and even if it trades below this 51.20, 51 are the two support levels it has to trade below. Once it trades below this, I think the next move is going to take it all the way towards 50.40, the crucial support, and staying below 50.40, it might lead to a correction towards 50. Let's see, the direction it takes today should be a stronger one, and it appears it might give you a bullish breakout. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to crude oil. Crude oil today started with a retracement. It has come down to the same zone 60.4, 60.6. Remember, this was the resistance earlier. Now this is going to be a very good support, and we can definitely see some support coming in at around this zone. Also notice, even if it has to rise with the inventory data today, it has to retrace, and that is what it is doing right now. And if you look at the move here, rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement, higher lows here, higher highs here. The support at 60.4 is still proving out to be a good one, and thus right now I'll say you have to watch out a little. It can give you a breakout here on the upside still. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD has seen a good crossover. It is trading bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is also trading comfortably right. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation. Earlier in the day I had mentioned there is a reversal sign. Price would like to retrace, and this is how it has been trading higher, the rise, and the retracement is also equally strong. So now wait for a move here, and if you see it is staying beyond 61 any point of time, stay bullish from there. It is possible that it can give you the breakout with the inventory data, as right now it is staying bearish here. Stochastic coming to oversold zone. The MACD just crossing over here, suggestive of slight further bearishness. RSI is also seen a good drop here. Coming to 3 hour charts, look at 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, after the highs here, we have seen a retracement. Now it can still bounce back, but I'll wait for it to trade beyond 61 in order to confirm a rise. And then the most crucial zone is at 61.4, 61.6, 62 and 62.5. These levels are very, very crucial for oil to break beyond. See, the moving averages have crossed over and prices come down to take the support. I'll wait for the next move and the direction here. Yes, the stochastic oversold here. The MACD trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. The RSI has seen a very, very good drop. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, remember a reversal sign, then the retracement, higher lows here, higher highs here, waiting for it to bounce back. A move beyond 61 certainly should be a very, very good indication for a stronger rally ahead. Why so? See, notice how it has been trading, drop, retracement, drop. It has come out of this channel, which is a good sign supportive for bulls, and thus once it now trades beyond 61, 61.5 levels and then 62.5 levels, it is going to rally strong. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD since the retracement trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. RSI placed comfortably here. Coming to day, look at the daily charts here, rise, then retracement, then rise, then retracement, then rise. Now this time it is coming out of this flag, and hence today's move is very crucial. Notice it has formed higher lows. It can still give you a breakout and a move beyond 61 and then 61.4, 61.6. These levels are going to play a very crucial role. Any move beyond this is a very good indication for a rise towards 62, 62.5, and then towards 64, 65, 66. Stochastic rising, the MACD is still divergent and bullish. The RSI placed comfortably. So looking at this, what you should do first is where you should buy. Now, before I give you the trading levels, do not miss to be part of my mentorship batch, and do join the Signals channel on Telegram. Yes, and enjoy the benefits. Connect with me for queries, and you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, if you can buy at 60.65 levels, but till 61, it's a riskier bet. Only and only if oil is seen trading beyond 61, expect 61.4, 61.6, the next mile. And if this is taken, stay bullish for 62, 62.5. And see, we have been tracking these levels, and these levels are going to be there very, very soon. Let's see, whenever it gives you a breakout, this is going to be a stronger one. On the down, I will recommend you to sell at 60. Only below 60, you can expect 59.7, the first target, and then 59.4. These are the levels. This is the zone which oil has to break below. If you see it is staying below 59.4, expect 59. And then below 59, more bearishness should be seen. 58.6, 57.8 should be there very, very soon. Right now, it is not showing such bearishness, as we have already seen. Price is trading around $60 levels since long now. Let's see which direction it gives you a breakout. Possibly today the inventory data is going to be the trigger here. Trade accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. See what natural gas did today. It has struggled to trade beyond 4.7, three attempts by gas to trade beyond 4.7, and then now it is trying to reverse. And it has come down to the support here. So I'll wait for it to trade below 4.6 to 4.58 levels. These levels are very crucial. Once it trades below 4.58, expect 4.5 the next targets, 4.55 the next targets, 4.5 the next. Till 4.4 levels, it has got very good support, and as we have seen several and as I have shared several times, do not treat this as bearish as long as 4.3, 4.27 zone is not taken. Notice how it has been trading every rise offsets with a retracement. This time it has formed double bottom here trying to bounce back. It can come back towards double bottom here. Let's watch out. Moving averages are definitely staying bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD crossed over here trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI looking down. Coming to 2 hour charts, look at the resistance here. Look at this. It is staying in the box. It has to come out of this box any which ways. Right now you can see the support coming in towards 4.6, 4.58 levels. Very, very strong. In fact, 4.55 included as well. And below 4.55 is where you can expect slight further bearishness. Else right now it is staying in zone. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI looking downwards as well. On the 3 hour charts, you can see on the 3 hour charts, similar observation, double bottom, the rise, the reversal here, and then now it is trying to take a dip here. Once it trades below 4.6, more bearishness, and then 4.58, 4.55, 4.5, 4.4. Very, very crucial support levels on the downside, and it is possible that it can keep moving down. Looking at the reversal sign, there is a possibility of further bearishness here in natural gas. Let's wait, but I'll say the support levels, this is just a retracement, not yet a complete reversal. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is trading bearish here. Coming to 4 hour charts, rather, you can see similar observation here. I'll wait for a breakout. The trade below 4.6 should be a good confirmation for 4.58, 4.55. And if that is taken, then 4.5. Below 4.5 is where you can expect slight further bearishness towards 4.4 and lower levels. Stochastic looking down, the MACD trying to converge crossover for sell. The RSI taking a dip here. And on the daily charts, if you look at now, what has happened on the daily chart? You can see the support coming in at 5 period moving average. This is how it has been trading, higher lows and higher highs here. And now if you see it is staying below 4.4, 4.3, 4.27 levels. We can see a move towards 4.2 as well. Right now the 5 period moving average is offering it a very good support. See flat top, it might try to erase some of the gains. It can in fact come back towards this zone. However, a breakout, because see the long-term targets for natural gas are still on the upside towards $5 zone. You have to watch out today's move. If it gives you a breakout on the upside, this is going to be stronger, else a possible reversal cannot be denied. Stochastic overbought, the MACD trading bullish here, the RSI overbought here. Thus, looking at this, what I'll recommend first, I'll recommend you to buy at 4.68 levels, expect 4.71. If this is taken, then 4.76, 4.8, and then direct lending is towards $5 zone. Anyways, it has to move towards 5 very, very soon. But right now, I do not see this happening today. It is trying to erase some of the gains as it is trading slightly overbought here on the smaller time frame. So now on the downside, what you can do, where you should sell, I will recommend you to sell at 4.6 to expect 4.6, 4.57, 4.54. If this is taken, then stay bearish for 4.5, the crucial support below 4.5. Ideally 4.445 and then 4.4, and then below 4.4 more bearishness should be seen towards 4.3, 4.27. Staying below 4.27, I think a greater correction should follow towards 4.2. If not today, then very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to Nasdaq. See Nasdaq, you can see moving towards the next milestone at 25,720. We have seen a little pullback coming in, but for this to reverse completely, we have to see it trading below 25,600. Now 25,600, 580 should be a good support. 25,540, 520 should be the next support. I'll say till 25,500, do not treat tech 100 as bearish, but once it slides below 25,500, certainly it's a reversal. Notice what's happening. You can see a possible reversal from here towards 25,400, but I think right now it is not showing much bearishness. You can see support coming in at around 20 period moving average. And once it trades beyond 25,730, you can stay bullish for 25,760, 25,800 here. Possibility exists that it can give you a breakout, but I think you have to watch out here. We have already seen a very good rise for the day. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is still in green, the RSI is rising here. Coming to 2 hour charts, look at 2 hour charts, rise, retracement, rise, it might retrace. But yes, it is still staying bullish, not yet confirming a breakout. Yes, certainly a move beyond 25,760 or 800 should confirm the greater rise here. In fact, this time if it trades beyond 25,760, 800, stay bullish for 25,900 and 26,000 levels possibly. Moving averages are certainly trading bullish while the stochastic is cooled down. The MACD is also trading with moderate bullishness and the RSI is rising here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, notice there was a reversal sign. We have seen a good rise. It has seen the highs here. I'll wait for the current candle closer because see if it is staying below 25,600, this might pull it down and then 25,500, 25,400 will be seen. Else it is right now, it is moving upwards and a breakout is what you should watch out for. A move beyond 25,760 should confirm further up move towards 25,800, and then beyond 25,800 we are going to see a rocket here. Stochastic definitely staying overbought. The MACD still is rising while the RSI is rising as well. And on the 4 hour, you can see what has happened on the 4 hour charts. Higher highs are seen, higher lows are seen. It is trading bullish here. If at all it trades below 25,600, 580, you can expect further bearishness towards 25,500, 520 or 25,400. Else it right now it is staying bullish here. Yes, the stochastic is overbought. The MACD and RSI both are rising. Coming to on the daily charts, if you look at the move, see what we discussed. Look at the symmetry here. These two candles are symmetrical. The preceding candle was green, here it was the red candle. Now what preceded this was a strongly bearish candle, and if at all it starts to deliver a breakout today, we might see it going all the way towards 25,950, 26,000 zone. And this is quite likely possible today because see already it is started on a flat note with the support from 5 period moving average trying to bounce back, and thus one thing is confirmed, at least till towards 25,500 and 25,400 zone or 350 zone. Do not treat tech 100 as bearish. It can give you a stronger reversal. Stochastic rising, the MACD is still bearish though, and the RSI is flat. So looking at this, what you should now, I'll recommend you to buy at 25,730, expect it to move towards 25,760, 25,800, and once it trades beyond 25,800, stay bullish for 25,885, 25,950, 970. This is going to be the most crucial zone. Any move beyond this, stay bullish 26,020 and 26,100, chances for which appears to be less, at least today. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 25. See, you have to wait for 25,600 levels, but those who want to jump in little early, you can sell at 25,660. Expect 25,600, 620 as the first target zone. Very crucial support exists here, below which you can expect it to drop. And what you can expect below this is 25,500, 520. Now these are going to be very crucial resistance zone. Below 25,500, 520, you can expect 25,400, and then the most crucial one at 25,350. Any drop below 25,350 is the only confirmation of a correction and a reversal. Else right now it is staying bullish. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow. See, US30 right now is trading at the double top levels at 48,050 levels, and see what it has done, taking the support from 5 period. We have seen a bounce back now. Either it trades below 47,950, 47,900. This is the only zone below which you can say now US30 is turning bearish. Else as long as 47,900 levels are not taken, do not trade this as bearish for the day. And right now you can see the support levels at 47,980, 900. Very crucial for US30 to break below. Let's see if it does trade below these levels. As right now you can see it is trying to deliver a breakout after consolidation. I will just wait for it to breach past the record levels here, and thus 48,060, 48,100 is what you should watch out for on the upside. If at all it trades beyond 48,100, stay bullish. Stochastic taking a dip here. The MACD crossed over here, trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness, and the RSI is staying extremely overbought. So on the hourly charts, things are slightly overbought here. Look at 2 hour charts. You can see this. It is trading in this channel. Once it trades below 47,950, 900, I think there is a good correction due here, which might take it towards 47,800 and 47,700 as well. But right now, there is no bearishness as of now in US30. The stochastic trying to cool down. The MACD is in green, trying to cross over for sell. It is not yet crossed over. RSI overbought. On the 3 hour charts, when you look at, see, ideally the preceding two candles could have been a reversal confirmation, but for this the current candle has to reverse. The current candle has to drop below 47,950 and 47,900 zone. A drop below 47,900 is the clear confirmation of a greater down move or beginning of the down move. Right now it is staying bullish. Also notice what it has done. It has formed the double top here. So the current levels are getting crucial for US30. Stochastic trying to cool down. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI overbought here. Look at 4-hour chart, similar observation, higher lows, higher highs. Let it come out of this box in order to confirm a direction today. Things are getting slightly overbought for US 30, but it can still continue with this. And if you see the daily charts, now see the daily charts here. Yes, after taking the support, we have seen a good rise. Also notice this is the move here. It has formed a double top here, and hence till 48,100 you have to exercise caution. Price can still reverse, hitting higher highs, slightly higher highs. And now see today, it is starting of the day on a flat tone, and once it trades below 47,900 you can expect a good swing here. 47,800, 700 should below 47,700, greater correction to follow. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over for the bias, RSI. So considering this, what you can do, where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy at 48,060, expect 48,110, and if this is taken 48,180, 48,300 should be there very soon. Beyond 48,300, 48,500 will arrive. These are markets. This is Dow Jones. Anything and everything is possible. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 48, or I will say you should wait for 47,980 levels. Below this, you can expect 47,940, 47,900. Below 47,900, further bearishness towards 47,800. And if 47,800 is taken, then 47,710. This is below. This is where you can say now 47,500 and lower levels to be seen, and then greater correction to follow from here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.